Welcome to Art Lectures. Today, we delve into George Hendrik Breitner's enchanting painting Meisje in witte Kimono, or Girl in a White Kimono, created in 1894. This oil-on-canvas work measures 59 centimetres by 57 centimetres and portrays Geesje Kwak, a 16-year-old maid from Amsterdam who was a frequent model for Breitner. In this painting, she is depicted reclining on a sofa, dressed in a Japanese kimono, a theme Breitner explored in several of his works. Breitner was inspired by Japanese prints, which he avidly collected, reflecting the late 19th century European fascination with Japonism. He produced 13 paintings featuring girls in kimonos, capturing the delicate beauty and intricate patterns of Japanese garments. However, it's essential to note that the adoption of Asian clothing by Europeans carried a sexualized connotation during this period, adding a layer of cultural complexity to the artwork. In Meisje in witte Kimono, Breitner showcases his mastery in depicting textures and fabrics. The kimono, painted in shades of white, yellow, grey and blue, contrasts beautifully with the girl's serene expression. The play of light on her left side and the delicate rendering of the fabric's folds and patterns demonstrate Breitner's keen attention to detail and his ability to infuse life into his subjects. The painting's background features a folding screen, adding depth and context to the scene. Breitner's brushwork and use of light emphasize the model's relaxed pose and the luxurious texture of the kimono, creating a sense of intimacy and tranquility. Breitner's work is not just a celebration of beauty and form, but also a reflection of the cultural exchanges and influences of his time. The incorporation of Japanese elements into Western art during the late 19th century highlights the global interactions that were becoming increasingly common. Thank you for joining us on Art Lectures as we explore the fascinating intersections of culture and art in George Hendrik Breitner's Meisje in witte Kimono. Please like and subscribe for more insightful art explorations.